Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find percentage of a number in mobile. So I will have a iOS device, and if you have a Android, so you will be just any of phone, you will just open the simply calculator application, and you will be just when you just open the calculator on your phone, you will be just enter the number you want the percentage of. And example, I will just write it 500, and I will be just press the multiplication X button, and I will just enter the percentage value whatever you want, example 20, and I will just press the percentage button and just hit the equal to the button to the get the result. So that's it. So in this way you will just find the percentage of any number in mobile calculator. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.